Come test drive the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: active grille shutters. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, sync, satellite communications. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.